If you are frustrated and fed up with YouTube because you're not seeing any growth and you just don't know what to do anymore, this video is for you. Exactly 8 months ago, I shot a video on this channel when we had under 300 subscribers. The title of the video was The Reality of Starting a New YouTube Channel in 2024 with under 300 subscribers. I'm going to show you a little clip from that video so you can see exactly how I felt in the moment with the amount of subscribers we had, the amount of views we were getting, and how ultimately defeated I felt from starting this new channel. Now, when I recorded this video, it was only about a month and a half after starting the channel, but it was really frustrating for me. And I wanted to bring this to light as an update to where we are now, which currently, at the time recording, we're over 23,000 subscribers. So in 8 months' time, we're able to get over 20,000 subscribers, and something that I didn't think was possible 8 months ago. So we're gonna watch a clip from that, and then we'll talk about it. This is the reality of a new YouTube channel in 2024 with under 300 subscribers. I'm just gonna be blunt. It's tough. It's not easy. We started this channel about a month ago. We are currently at 215 subscribers at the time of recording, and it has been a challenge. And yes, it's only been a month, but this is a new channel for us. We've already created other channels, one of them being Brain Creators, that is just about to hit 100,000 subscribers. And we wanted to put it to the test of trying a new channel and how we can get this growth. And we're only a month in. We're being consistent on all of our videos. We're posting 3 videos a week along with short form content as well. And we've been optimizing, making sure we're doing good thumbnails, titles, all of that stuff. The same stuff we've done for the other channel that we grew. And right now it's a slow start. We have a couple videos that have over 500 views, but besides that, majority of our videos are around 20 to 50 views. It's a struggle, it's a grind, and I'll be lying if I said at times I feel like, is this worth it? Am I supposed to be doing this? Am I making the right decision to try a new channel? Am I wasting time? The purpose of all of it. To be honest, like there's days where it's like, oh, I'm going to put all this work into editing a video just to get 10 views. And I know it's not all about the views, but you do want to see that at least a little bit back so you know that what you're doing is right. So right there, I literally gave all the statistics of what was going on with our channel, which I'm so happy that I recorded this video. This video actually was our first one to kind of do somewhat good. The video got over 1,000 views within the first week, which was our highest. As you heard, our highest videos was around 500 views, and on average, we were getting 20 to 50 views. So we were in that state for a long time, right? And I say a long time, for a new channel, it was like a month and a half, 2 months. You also noticed I talked about we were doing shorts. Right around this time is when we stopped doing shorts, and then we started focusing only on the long form content. And the biggest thing ultimately that helped us get this growth to where we are now is doubling down on the titles and finding these outlier titles in our niche. So if you guys don't know already, one of the things that I do as the title ninja is I find these outlier titles. And what an outlier title is I do research on videos that are performing super well, but the subscriber count of that channel is low. So for example, if maybe I had 1,000 subscribers and a video has 48,000 views, then that's a huge outlier. So what I would do is I would take that title, I would reconstruct it to make an original so it's my own thing, and then I would shoot a video on that. And that's the one thing I think that ultimately changed how we just generated views on this channel and generated the growth. The other thing is this: we never asked for 1 subscriber. From day 1 to now, where we have over 23,000 subscribers, we did not ask for one of them in any of our videos. All we did was provide value from what we learned. Now, one of the things I want you to notice is even in this video alone, I put a lot of proof in there of that we have done this before and we are starting new. So at the time, the channel that we were mainly working on was just under 100,000 subscribers. That is now over 100,000 subscribers. And that was one that, we were using as our proof piece because we were able to grow that in about a year and a half, 2 years to 100,000 subscribers. And so now we wanted to show how we did that when it's just a separate niche and all, and how we were able to generate all those subscribers as well as the views, all of that. So we were using it as our proof piece in this, and ultimately ended up paying off. I also will say we started from, again, 0 on this channel 8.5 months ago, 9 months ago, to now 23,000. And one of the things that we followed, that we actually created for you, is our roadmap, our 100K roadmap that we literally followed to a T. We followed on all of our channels, and we knew within time of just following the structure of it that we were going to ultimately be able to generate number 1, subscribers, number 2, get to monetization, and number 3, revenue on this channel that's not just coming from ads. If you guys want a copy of that, all you gotta do is comment 100K down below and I'll send you that. Again, that is our whole roadmap that we follow, starting from the beginning, which is our ARM method, which is the attention. So you want to build attention with your audience. R, which is the relationship, building a good relationship, giving value. And then M is the money piece, how you can generate money outside of ads on this channel. And before I forget, I totally skimmed by how I was telling you about the outlier hooks before and how that was able to grow our channel. That's another thing that I will drop for you guys. I do have a swipe file of 10 of our best outlier titles. All you gotta do is comment hooks down below and I'll send you that. So we have 2 right there. We have 2 different files for you guys, one for the 100K, one for the hooks. And that's something that we put in place about 3 months ago. Now, we've generated from that, we've generated over 7,000 emails in the matter of probably 5 months, because we started about 5 months ago. About 5 months, we've generated, almost 8,000. I think we're at 7,500 as of today. And with those emails, it's not just, oh, it's good, yeah, you got some emails. No, like that is where we are building our business. That's what a lot of people don't understand on YouTube, is they only look at the ad money. They don't look at how you can make money outside of it. And one of the biggest ways is creating that email list. And that's exactly what we're doing right now on this channel already. And within the 8 months, which realistically, when we actually started promoting some of our products and actually starting to push out some coaching and all of that, was probably about 4 months ago. But within those 4 months, we've already generated over $30,000. So we are following to a T our 100K roadmap to get us to our first 100K on this channel, and ultimately keep growing it and scaling up. And the whole purpose of this video, besides just giving you guys all the different things that we use to get there, was you are gonna be frustrated in your niche. You're gonna be frustrated in your content. It is gonna happen. Everyone goes through it. And I'm so glad I was able to record this and go back to it so you guys can see exactly how I felt in the moment. Like, I was really defeated because I was like, oh, I had such high hopes for this. I thought it was gonna be good. The content's good. We're putting 3 videos out a week. Everything's doing great. And then ultimately, it just, at the time, wasn't amounting to anything. We were only getting 50 views, 500 on one video, great. But then the next one was down to 20. It made no sense to us. So being able to finally get over that hump, and then from there, it just kind of started scaling up and up and up. I mean, I think it was back in October, which as we're recording this right now, we're in February. Back in October, I think we just started getting our actual push. Like, I still think we were only at, maybe at the time, 5,000 subscribers. I know we hit monetization in about 89 days, but I think our first 5,000 was around October, and then it just started scaling up after that. We hit the 10, the 15, and then recently 20. But I mean, the past 3 months, we've been averaging over 4,000 to 4,500 subscribers a month. And again, that's without asking anything. And the biggest reason we are getting this growth is because we are truly giving value. We're not gatekeeping. We are focusing on these small creators, you guys out there watching this video, and trying to help you best we can, because we know how it is to be in that rut, because we were there, right? I'm not gonna just pretend like we weren't there and we got a bunch of subscribers over, because a lot of people think, oh, you probably just took subscribers from your other channel. No, we didn't even tell anyone about that. Okay, we literally just started this from scratch to prove that we could do it, and we did it, and we are gonna grow this one, and this one actually is growing faster than the other one that we grew. So, purpose of this video, again, is to give you a little bit of hope out there, because it is out there. You can grab it, you can go after it, but you just need to sometimes take a deep breath, focus on your content. Number one, I'm going to tell you to focus on that title and get your hooks document. If you don't have it already, comment hooks, and then start perfecting these videos. Okay, now we don't even look at even this video right here. There's not a lot of edits. I put a couple edits in there, but nothing crazy. And on our channel, we don't spend a lot of time on editing. We might spend 30 minutes on an edit. We don't spend more than an hour on any edits on our videos, because we know now that it's about the value. It's not about all the edits. And what's making us stand out is the authenticity that we share. And I know a bunch of you have that authenticity that you can share as well. And I know before I was mentioning our 100K roadmap, and I actually want to share more in depth with you on what that all entails. So if you guys want to check that out, we have a video we shot on that right here. Go ahead and check that video out, and we'll see you there.